In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these WASSCE or chemistry problems under hydrogen. So guys, we have 5 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, what is the characteristic of a gas liberated when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron 2 sulfide? So we have these following options. We have option A, gives a pop sand, turns lead to ethanol pepper black, decolorizes bromine water, turns lime water milky. So guys, the right option is option B, turns lead to ethanol pepper black. Okay, very important. So that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says helium is preferred to hydrogen in filling balloons because hydrogen is diatomic. Option A. Option B, exhibits isotopy, is a component of water, is inflammable. So the right option is option D, is inflammable. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says dihydrogen chloride when dissolved in methyl benzene. Option A, bleaches litmus paper, turns blue litmus paper red, does not affect litmus paper, turns red litmus paper blue. So the right option is that it does not affect litmus paper. Option C. That's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says why are tetraoxosulfate 6 acid and calcium chloride are not suitable for drying ammonia gas? We have option A, they are poisonous, react with the gas, pollute the gas, are corrosive. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, is because they react with the gas. So that's it for this question. The last question before end this video will be this one. It says which of the flowing gases is colorless, odorless, and soluble in potassium hydroxide solution? We have nitrogen fluoride, ammonia, carbon fluoride, sulfur fluoride. The right answer is option C, carbon fluoride. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving hydrogen for your WASSCE chemistry practice with 5 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting for the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. So tell me how you feel for what you are learning from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you will be writing. Alright, so having known this, click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.